Is it worth leaving the airport during a long layover in Taipei City? It might feel like a gamble, as how much of Taipei's vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and rich history can you truly experience in just a few hours? Find out as Dave and I transform a travel inconvenience into an action-packed adventure. We've got a 9-hour layover in Taipei City before we head to the Philippines for a relaxing 2-week vacation in the dreamy Romblon province. Since Dave and I have never been to Taiwan before, we thought, rather than sit at the airport and stare at walls for hours, why not take this opportunity to learn about a new culture? We've calculated that it could take an hour to deplane and get through customs, and another hour to travel from the airport to downtown. If we plan to be back at the airport 3 hours before our next flight, that leaves us roughly 3 hours to explore. Taipei's population is 10,000% greater than what we're used to seeing back in Canada. That's a lot of city to experience in a short period of time, so we chose to invest in convenience. Before we left on our trip to Asia, we arranged for a local tour guide with a car to pick us up from the airport. Being unfamiliar with both the language and the destination, we found value in spending a bit more to experience a lot more.
And what's your name again, Curtis?
Yes, my name is Curtis.
And I'm Dave.
And how about the dumpling?
Oh, dumpling.
Can you or not?
Oh, whatever. We love it all. We want an experience. Good Taipei food.
Okay.
Oh, that looks so good. We've got 5 stops on our Whirlwind City tour, so we're gonna fuel up first with some local comfort food. On the menu, a tangy sweet and sour pork soup, hearty beef tendon noodle soup, a savory chive pocket, cucumber salad, juicy pork dumplings, and fresh tofu topped with a century egg. What is a century egg? It's a preserved egg that tastes a bit like a rich fine cheese. Now that our bellies are full, we're heading to the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall in Liberty Square to witness the changing of the guard ceremony. The monument was built to honor the former leader for his role in shaping Taiwan's distinct identity. Liberty Square serves as a public gathering place and a cultural hub, home to the National Theatre Hall and the National Concert Hall. Stepping into Longshan Temple feels a bit like traveling back in time. First built in 1738 by Chinese settlers, the temple beautifully blends Buddhist, Taoist, and folk traditions and welcomes visitors to experience local rituals in an active place of worship. One of the temple's rituals is fortune-telling with moon blocks. Ask a burning question to the deity of your choice while holding the 2 crescent-shaped blocks in your hands. How they land when you toss them to the ground will give you a yes or no answer. What is that?
It's a kind of fruit.
An orange, strawberry, grapes.
It's like a candy apple, but it's a strawberry. Dihua Street, the oldest street in Taipei, dates back to the 1800s and is bustling with traditional shops and street vendors. Once a thriving trade hub, it's now the perfect spot to sample local snacks, hunt for unique souvenirs, and soak in a slice of Taipei's history through its well-preserved Chiang dynasty architecture. Oh, you know what it tastes like? A waffle.
Oh, nice.
You want to try it?
Sure.
Very delicious.
There's a little dog. He knows how to travel. Strawberry daifuku. This thing weighs a ton. It's red bean paste in the middle with a strawberry and then wrapped in potato flour. It's really good. This city is so clean, but you can't find a garbage can anywhere on the street, so I have no idea how that works, but... So we can't come to Taipei without having bubble tea. Taipei City is the birthplace of the iconic bubble tea. Boba tea was invented when creative vendors started mixing tea with milk, flavors, and unique textures. Taipei is also home to the original Cat Cafe, a relaxing place to socialize with fluffy felines and enjoy a coffee and snack before your next flight.